Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. Today I'm doing an unboxing, but not only am I unboxing the Boxycharm for December 2018, I am unboxing the Boxycharm Luxe. This box is huge. It's a little heavy, not too bad, so I'm excited to see what kind of loot is in here. You would think I would learn to keep scissors in here, but I just open everything with a pair of tweezers. Okay, so we've got a big insert. 'Tis the Sea Sun Boxycharm Luxe. On the back we have all the info about all the products in here, and there is 3 coupons, one for PYT, one for Elemis, and one for Tarte. Okay, so I'm just gonna start digging in here one thing at a time. My gosh, this box takes up like my whole desk here. Okay, so we have a bag that says Glam AF. It's a little wristlet clutch. Love that. Ooh, and it comes with a portable charger. It says Crimes of Beauty. Or is it by Crimes of Beauty? Oh, it's by Crimes of Beauty. Very cool. And this is really thin. I really like this. You could keep this in your back pocket along with your phone and it won't be big or bulky. I love these. I actually keep something like this in my purse at all times and it is invaluable. Okay, so I'm kind of just reaching into the box here blindly, going one by one. Next is by Pretty Vulgar. It is the Powder Room Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder. Supposed to lock your makeup into place, enhancing the look of your foundation. Ooh, there's a soft puff applicator which delivers the right amount. Oh, it's pink, so cute. So this is nice. I'm going to have to try this out. I love a good setting powder. It's like Christmas. Next is from, I hope I'm pronouncing this right, Spongelle. It is the Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer. This is supposed to cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. Oh, this is fun. Oh, it smells good. It's a body wash and a buffer in one. Love this. Does anybody else just fidget all day long? Like, I legit can't stay comfortable for more than like 2 minutes. Okay, next is from Protégé. Ooh, it is an eyeshadow palette. So here's what we've got here. Very pretty. I would love to swatch this for you guys, but I feel like I have a lot of these shades. Not that I'm complaining, so I am going to donate this to a shelter. But it does look super pretty. Okay, next, ooh, is from Grande. It is Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. Supposed to get extreme length and volume while promoting healthier lashes. This is water resistant and easily to remove to prevent lash breakage, which is good because I hate when I'm trying to remove a waterproof mascara and I'm like losing lashes or losing pieces of lashes. We have just a normal fluffy brush. Smells like a normal mascara. Had to give it the sniff test. This is nice, definitely keeping this guy for sure. I am a whore for mascara. It's not really a secret of mine, but I am a whore for eyeshadow palettes and mascara. If I don't have like at least 5 backup mascaras, I start to panic and I don't know what to do. And I would like to say a lot of those mascaras are travel size because I go through about 1 every month or 2 just to keep it fresh, not clumping or not expired or anything. So love me some mascara. Ooh, next is from Tarte. It is the Tartiest Shimmering Lip Paint, and this is in the shade Insta-Famous. It's supposed to be a sheer lip gloss infused with shimmering glitter. Ooh, it smells nice and sweet. That is pretty. Let's just throw a little bit on top of my lip here. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but there is some light reflecting shimmer glitter bits in here. This is very nice. Okay. Next is from Elemis. It is a Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. This is supposed to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, improve skin firmness, tone, and hydration in 14 days. That is pretty awesome. So my only complaint about this is if it is a day cream, there needs to be an SPF in it. I don't like to wear a day cream without SPF because I don't need my dark spots to be any darker. I mean, this is huge. This is an $89 value. That's insane. Oh, it smells really, really nice. Definitely keeping that one. Ooh, next is from Luxie. It is a complete face set. Let's take it out of the packaging here. And this puppy retails for $65. Holy moly. So you're getting 8 brushes in here. You have a round top blender, a tapered highlighter, a Pro Precision Face. Ooh, I like this. This will be good for contouring. Ooh, a lip brush, eye shading, brow and lash, tapered blending. Ooh, this is a really nice brush. They are so soft. And then last, a flat definer brush. Very, very nice. This is exciting. I just love makeup brushes. I feel like I can never get enough. Okay, then last but certainly not least, ooh, is the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh, let's get this out of the way. This is the Pro HG palette. Holy grail. I cannot get this palette out. Holy crap. Jeez Louise. Okay, let's see what we're working with here. Lots of browns, some reds. Very, very nice. I will keep this palette because I do like the shades. Browns are really nice and chocolatey looking, and I really like this shade, So Jelly. Let's just see how that one swatches real quick. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Okay, yeah. Definitely keeping this palette, especially now since I just touched it. So, oh my gosh, there is a color called Awesome Sauce. That is freaking funny. I love it. Okay, so this came with 9 products and it retails for a total of $352 worth of product. And I believe it was like $66 to upgrade to this package. So that is a damn good deal. If I had to pick, say, like 2 or 3 of my favorite things, it's definitely the wristlet with the portable charger. If anything, this portable charger is definitely going in my purse. The mascara, super pumped about. And then last, the Luxie brush set. Everything else I really, really loved, but those are my favorite things here. So this is my first Boxycharm Luxe. I definitely say it was worth the price. So this ships every quarter. You get billed that amount every quarter. So if you were thinking about getting it for March, I would definitely hop on it. I believe there is a wait list, so I'd hop on the wait list now. Get this guy. You even get coupons. You will not be sorry. I absolutely love this. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.